Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your YouTube videos are not playing in Google Chrome in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick way how to fix it. So the first method is that I'm going to disable all the extensions. So for that I will go to this particular link, just copy paste Chrome colon backslash and extensions. Press enter and make sure that all the extensions are disabled, and just quickly do that. Now I'm going to just close the Chrome browser and I will open the browser again. And hopefully, after performing this step, the issue will be fixed and you will be able to load, or you will be able to run the YouTube videos. So, but if you are facing the same issue again, what you can do is try out the second method, which is to clear all the cache and cookies. For that, you have to press the key Control H, and then you have to click delete browsing history, and after that you will select all time, and you have to make sure that these two options are checked: cached images and files and downloaded history, and then you need to click delete data, and this is going to delete every history. So make sure that you follow this step. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to delete all my history, so I will just click cancel. So this is the second method you need to try, and then after that you need to open the Chrome browser again and check whether you are able to run the YouTube videos or not. If issue is still there, what you can do is you can try the third method, which is to go in the settings first. First of all, go in the settings, and then after that you will go in the system section. After that, you have to make sure that use graphic acceleration when available. Okay, this option should be turned off. Then you have to click relaunch as well. Okay, it is going to relaunch the Chrome browser, and now you will check whether you are able to play the YouTube videos or not. If the issue is still there, what you can do is you can try the last method, which is reset Chrome. So what you can do is just copy and paste the link over here. So right now I'm going to reset it, and then just quickly do that and just wait after this step is done. After that, just close the Chrome application and open the Chrome browser again. Hopefully you will able to run the YouTube videos after performing all these steps. That's it. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.